This is ad hoc addendum fried chicken. Let's see this. It's a little salty. It's really juicy. This is like 8 pieces for $30. I think total there's 7 pieces in here. This is a big thigh piece. I'll eat this big thigh piece. Ooh, look at that. Ah. Look at that, so juicy. This is really, really good fried chicken. I don't think I've had better. This is really good. Look at that. Oh my god. So goofy. Look at that. It's like dripping. What the? Ah. Oh my gosh. This is delicious. Highly recommend. I recommend. Yeah. I might even drive 1.5 hours to get here to get this next time. Oh my goodness. Oh no, I get all look at this. It's so hot, it's burning my hand that I can't let go of it. It's so good. Look at this. Wow. Yeah. This is better than Jollibee's. Better than KFC. Oh my gosh. Look at this, it's like dripping. It can't get juicier than this. Look at that. My mouth is sufficiently burnt right now because I ate it while it's still piping hot. You want a bone? Want a bone? Here we go. You have one? You're just eating it? Oh my gosh, it's getting oily everywhere. Don't worry, we can clean it up later.